This is the car cup mount holder sent in by a sponsor, just like everything else the last few videos. It goes in your cup holder. A lot of you will say, hey, I've already bought one of these and it was crap. It didn't fit. It did not fit my car. Well, this one, they read the feedback of other items before making their own. And they have an extender. See the, right there? You twist it and it extends outward. You can bend it, bendable neck, bendable head so you can move your phone around at different angles and stuff. Product features adjustable to hold for all types of tablet, PC, smartphone, GPS, P&D, and PSP devices. PSP, wow, that's old. It will not fit a tablet, like a big one. It won't fit a big one. It'll fit one of those like 5 to 6 inch tablets at the most. Stylish cup mount, connect with gooseneck holder, fitting to varying size cup size holder in your vehicle, 360 rotation, designed for desired position, vertical or horizontal mode, smart design grips for your smartphone or tablet lightly. So it means small tablet. That's what it means by that. Because I talked to the sponsor and asked for the details beforehand. But this does also come with extra padding in case you have extra wide cup holders. I don't know why. Here are the padding, and here's what appears to be the cell phone / tablet mount. Yep, those are the pads. You just peel off the back and it sticks to the side of the tablet holder. But look at this. You hit the 2 buttons, pull it out. See, this, it looks huge. It's not. It'll fit, like I said, a 5 to 6 inch tablet, maybe, definitely a 4 inch, and a big phone like the iPhone XR. These pads are just to help pad out so your phone doesn't wobble. If for whatever reason you have the extra large. A lot of people do not have extra large cup holders. They have the standard size that every place else has. Here it is. It's weighted, so it's bottom heavy. You put the little mount here. Close this. Put the mount here. There's a certain way you have to do this. And it'll snap in. Should snap in, at least in the video. Well, it's tight. This time it didn't snap in. On the video it did, but that's okay with me. Gooseneck, you can move it. The head, you can move it. See? So you can move your phone to different angles. Also, I want to demonstrate that for you. Hold this like this and then twist the bottom base. This bottom base right here. You twist it. Twist. Clockwise. And see, it comes out and it'll fit your large cup holders and as well as your small. So boom, boom, pretty badass. Hold this out like this. Twist it to the left counterclockwise and it'll go in. Here we are in the car. Okay, see that? It's wobbling. We got medium-sized cup holders. Let me twist it. There we go. Twisted it. Not moving at all. Okay, that was a great experience. First time it's going to be difficult, but yeah, if you're like a video logger and you have these cups, as you saw, are right like there beneath the shifter, the gear shifter. But if you have a car where you have the cup holders too underneath the radio, like in that little docking area underneath the radio, you can use it as a vlogging kind of thing. Or if you drive with your hands down like old-fashioned, you can vlog like this. Okay, so here's the radio. And when I say cup holders beneath the radio, there are some cars that have them right here where it says passenger airbag. There's like a cup holder here, a cup holder, they dangle. And then what I actually meant was the ones that have them right here above your shifter. These cup holders are right here, 1, 2, 3 in the middle, beneath the emergency brake and the gear shifter. I meant like for right here, beneath the radio there, and then cup holders here. There's usually 2. That's what this is great for, because you can be driving and then there it is. Oh, tilt your head for a second, or just turn your eyes for a second, and boom. Okay, I see where the map says to go. Look at that bird poop. Look at that bird poop, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, gerdy, daddy, gerdy, yes.